In this video, we'll show you how to install the 123BIM CAD exporter for AutoCAD Civil3D. First, we must understand what is the RDV 123BIM CAD exporter. The software consists of two components. The first is a tool set that assists us in building detailed 3D content within Civil3D. The second is the exporter, which by definition means it will export the 3D content so that we can view it in 123bim.com and the 123BIM navigator. In order to install the 123BIM CAD exporter, please note that the exporter requires the same minimum system requirements as the 123BIM navigator, which is found on page 53 of the PDF document we showed earlier in the tutorial. To download the exporter, go to 123bim.com. On the project homepage, go to the bottom of the page and left-click on Downloads. On the pop-up window, left-click on Download 123BIM CAD Exporter for AutoCAD. Once the installer has been downloaded to your computer, double-click on the installer and follow the installer wizard. Please note, RDV's 123BIM CAD Exporter supports Civil3D version 2016 through 2018. In the installer, select the appropriate version and continue. Warning: the wizard will automatically prompt you to install the 123BIM Navigator as part of the CAD Exporter installation package. If you have already installed the Navigator, press Cancel to preserve the current installed version of 123BIM Navigator. Now that the installation is complete, let's make sure the software was installed successfully. Double-click on Civil3D and wait for it to load. In the Civil3D ribbons, we can see that the RDV ribbon has been successfully installed, and it's ready to go to work.